I've seen the disparate impacts that the war on drugs have had on traditionally disadvantaged communities. And another thing that attracts me to practicing cannabis law is I now have the ability to redress those. Not just through lobbying efforts as we try and create a system that is fair and equal to all. And when I say fair and equal to all, we say things like, okay, the OLCC will ignore a trafficking charge that happened in the last 5 years. But you look at the statistics of who's that rule really affecting? Who's that protecting? Statistically, that rule is protecting minority and disadvantaged communities, because those are the communities who have historically been, charged with those felonies, right? Whereas some people who come from non-traditionally disadvantaged communities, they hire fancy lawyers, they plea bargain to misdemeanor, and that wouldn't affect them. So we have the ability to create a system that really levels the playing field. And as an attorney, and many attorneys downplay this, but we have an obligation and a responsibility to pursue justice, not just justice in the courtroom or justice in the boardroom, but justice on a social level. And, we do a lot at our firm. For example, we partnered with the Minority Cannabis Business Association and Marley Naturals to be the pro bono legal sponsor of their expungement clinic. And we do pro bono expungements on a somewhat regular basis. It's hard for some people to find us. Hopefully they'll find us through this. But we have an obligation as lawyers to rectify the injustices that have been wrought by the legal system that we helped create. And practicing as a cannabis lawyer gives me opportunities to do that.